Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the strawberry sniper and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the items from the gear shop. If you want to get the strawberry sniper, you can go to the gear shop and you need 13 million shekels to buy the strawberry sniper. Okay, after you purchase this item, you will permanently own this item. As you can see here, I've already owned this item. And then we can go to our inventory and equip the strawberry sniper. And basically, we can shoot another player with this sniper. And it's pretty useful at night, especially to protect your garden. Okay, I'm going to try to shoot at this player. Oh, player is in their garden and it's safe. So you can only shoot another player when they are out of the garden. So you can use it when a player's trying to steal your fruits. I don't think it's worth, but yeah, you can try it for fun, just for fun. Okay guys, and that's all about the strawberry sniper and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.